Hello, good evening, sir. I'm Sadia Akram. I'm a first-year student of Business Management Studies. My question is that
one of the major sins.
you said that Muslim girls are prohibited the professions of
Number 3
acting, modeling and
Number 4 is
dancing.
Number 5
Does
is
the same apply for men,
gossiping.
Muslim men?
Number 6 is false action.
This is the question.
Number 7 is
that I said that profession which exhibit the body,
un-Islamic
like
songs,
dancing, like
Number 8
modeling,
is watching
film acting.
programs.
Is it prohibited for men also?
And un-Islamic movies.
In these cases
Number 9
of film
is
acting, modeling, if it
un-Islamic
goes
magazines
against the Quran and Sharia, it is
reading
prohibited.
un-Islamic books.
For example, a
Number 10
Muslim
is
man
going to
models
un-Islamic
for some
websites.
suit.
Number 11
As long as there's nothing haram in that ad, it's permitted.
wastage of food.
If something haram, if he models for black dog, whiskey, or champagne or alcohol, it's haram. Similarly, if he's acting, if in acting he's showing that he's a non-Muslim, doing idol worship, it is haram. Many of the Muslim actors, they behave like non-Muslim and they do shirk. Haram. Haram. Let him be anyone. Let him be the best actor in the world. His acting will take him to Jahannam. His acting will take him to Jahannam. But he's acting and doing a good role, not running after women,
Okay.
Alaikum. My name is Shakil Ahmad. I won a gold of say 100 grams this year and I pay zakat this year. I carry forward that gold of 100 grams to next year. Do I have to pay a zakat next year also for this gold in addition to whatever wealth I earned the next year?
The brothers asked this question, and this question can only arise in Madras and Chennai, nowhere else. I'm aware that there is a controversy, some person who has said that zakat if paid once in the year, you don't have to pay again in the next year. There is no such hadith. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, there are various Sahih hadith which says that zakat has to be paid 2.5% above the nisab level, 85 grams of gold. And there are various hadith, Hazrat Umar, may Allah be pleased with him. He said, all those who have not paid zakat, I will see to it that they pay. Those who have already paid last year. There are various Sahih hadith which mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, Hazrat Umar, may Allah be pleased with him. He said, those who do not pay zakat again. Again means they already paid before. And I know this controversy arose when Dr. Bilal Phillips also was here in a trip to Chennai. I'm aware that he wrote a book giving proof that zakat should be paid every year. If you lose that gold, if you don't own it, then you have to pay. If you own it every lunar year, it is every lunar year. If you own it for 1 year minimum, you have to pay. If you have that same gold with you for next year, again you have to pay. Every year you have to pay 2.5% of whatever savings you have above the nisab level. Hope that answers the question.
One more question from the sister.